Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Rhoda and this is Special Pillars. Okay, so I'm going to be making plantain porridge today. I'm going to be making plantain porridge, unripe plantain porridge. So that's what I'm going to show you how to make. Stay tuned. Let's begin. No long story, okay? Oops, guys. What is not happening here? Oh, the plantains are getting ripe. Oh, Jesus, have mercy. Okay, we still have some unripe ones. Hey! Okay, this was not the plan. Oops. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be like a mixture of... Good, this one is still strong. Yep. Okay, that's it. That's what we're going to be using. Oh, good. I'm on that fell on the floor. Let me wash my hands because I need to boil the meat. This is what I'm going to be using to make this plantain porridge, okay? So I have like one more beef tripe and goat meat inside this place. Yeah, you can also use dried fish or smoked fish. You can even use mackerel if you want. It's better to kind of grill it in the oven before you use it so that it can amplify the taste a little more. But anyway, this is what I'm going to be using, okay? And I'm using my pressure pot to cook it because I don't want to waste time. Right? We're going to be seasoning it with this. I have this mixed seasoning mix. It's just for making soup and sauces and porridges, stuff like that. So, and then I have my seasoning cubes here, seasoning powder, and then I have salt, thyme, and bay leaf. So we're going to add that here. We're going to add some water. Get you one of these if you're a busy mom or a busy parent or a busy student, a busy single person, right? Yeah, it's very helpful. So put that on. Just good. Okay, that's done. While that is going, I'm going to start peeling our plantains. Okay, these ones. Yup. Before we start peeling, we're going to wash them. So the next thing to do would be to prepare the sauce for our porridge, and I'm using blended tomatoes, some onions, some blended peppers, and I'm frying these in palm oil. You can skip the tomatoes if you don't like tomatoes, right? It's optional. So our sauce is done. To the already washed and cut up plantains, add some crayfish, add seasoning cube, and add the sauce you just prepared together with your meat and the broth, and then you're going to cover this and allow it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes of medium to high heat. So after 10 to 15 minutes, our plantain porridge is coming together very nicely. What you're going to do is that you're going to take your spatula or your cooking spoon or your ladle and stir. And while stirring, try to crush some of the plantains. This will help to thicken up the broth in your porridge. We don't want to have a runny porridge. We want the porridge to be nicely cuddled up, okay? Kind of thickened. So yeah, after doing that, the final step would be to add some vegetables. And for my vegetables, I am using scent leaves. We call them nchuang in Nigeria. If you don't have scent leaves, you can use fresh basil. I bought these ones from an African store here in Toronto. They were frozen while they were still fresh, so the taste and the flavor are still intact. But fresh basils, they do a good job as well. Fresh basil leaves, you can buy these from No Frills, Freshco, or Food Basics, wherever, at your supermarket. Okay, and food is ready. This is very nice, guys. I want you to try it. Just try it and let me know. Okay, I know you've been making your food with dried fish or stock fish, your plantain porridge. Try using goat meat and let me know what you think. This is what's the edge of it's very fun. Thank you for the Okay? Try making this for your family, okay? For your hubby, for your mother-in-law, for your mommy too, okay? Subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay? Try it and let me know what you think. Thank you so much. Bye.
And I know exactly what I'm looking